I'm Wendy. I'm a manager of the residential services for West Lothian Council. We have a young boy who's 12 who lives in one of our residential houses at the moment. And at 12, this young person has witnessed and experienced quite a level of abuse within a family home setting, has then moved to around 7 different foster care placements and has lived on 2 separate occasions in a residential unit. He's also experienced 6 different schools and is in first year at the high school. This is a young person who on some levels still enjoys the play and the fun and plays with his Lego bricks, but his great dream or his hope, because he's a great interest in how to fix things, how to build things, how can he put his bike back together again, and his great interest is in mechanics and engineering. That's his dream and that's his hope for the future, but one of the things that to help him achieve that dream and achieve that future would be if he was able to go along and to visit perhaps the engineering unit of a university to see what that was all about, to see how he could get to that goal and how we could take from building Lego bricks into building something that was a reality and not just that dream, before he loses hope and before he loses all thought about a future. If he had somebody within a higher education establishment that actually took on board the role of a mentor, a supporter, anything like that could actually mean for that young person he wouldn't lose that hope of wanting to be able to fix or build cars or wanting to know how engines work or how engineering works. That's the dream, that's the hope, that's the ambition, but to achieve that he will need a lot of help and support, and he'll need a lot of help and support for the one reason being that who is there in his life to champion what he wants? There are his social worker, yes. There are residential childcare workers, yes. But there isn't anybody out with that area of social work who actually believes in him enough to help support that dream. And if he had somebody who came along, who showed him the engineering department, who gave him some hope that that could come real, would be an awful lot for that 12-year-old, and might mean that in S1 he continues on to hope to be a mechanic and takes it into S2, S3, S4 and then leaves school with some kind of qualification and some hope.